Hello everyone, Gladwin here. Today I am reading and sharing insights from a blog I found on Search Engine Journal. It's called How to Use LLMs for 301 Redirects at Scale. Sounds nerdy, but trust me, if you manage SEO or big websites, this is gold. Let's jump in. So first, what's the real problem here? When websites go through big changes like a redesign or domain migration, you often need to map thousands of old URLs to new ones. It's called 301 redirects. And it's boring, time consuming, and easy to mess up. The author says usually you will do this manually or with spreadsheets. But what if AI can do that? This blog shows how you can use large scale models, LLMs, like ChatGPT to automate redirect mapping. The idea is simple. Feed your old and new URL data to an LLMS, ask it to match them based on context, and let it suggest the redirect list. Basically, instead of you thinking through every URL, the AI does it for you based on patterns, keywords, and logic. They actually build a full workflow using tools like Python scripts, LangChain, OpenAI GPT, and a simple CSV file as input. They give a basic example where they upload a list of old URLs and a list of new ones. And GPT suggests the best redirect matches based on similarity and structure. This saves a lot of time, especially when you are dealing with thousands of URLs. LLMs can make the mapping process 10 times faster and more accurate. You will still need to review the suggestions, but it's way easier than doing it all manually. They also share how this helped during a real site migration. Instead of spending weeks mapping URLs, they did it in a few hours. With AI doing the heavy lifting and the team just reviewing, this is a great example of how AI can assist in technical SEO tasks, not replace us, but definitely boost our speed and accuracy. If you are into automation or handle big SEO projects, this blog is worth a read. I'll drop the link in the description if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching, and if you like this kind of content, make sure to follow for more digital marketing insights.